It's Crypto Vlog, guys. In today's video, Pep Escape. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
And before we start, guys, I just want to let you know that I'm not your financial advisor and that you should make your own decisions before investing into a project. They took everything, our money, our freedom, even crypto. Hijacked. This isn't exaggeration, it's history repeating itself. The very movement that was supposed to free us, decentralized finance, has become just another playground for hedge funds, VCs, and whales. But not this time, not with Pep Escape. This is the first time in a while I've seen a project use meme culture not as a joke, but as a serious banner for rebellion. It's radical but rooted in facts, and that's what caught my attention. Pep Escape is decentralized Counter-Strike, a project born from the shadows of the darknet. Not for elites, not for insiders, this is for us. The retail investors, the misfits, the degens tired of being exit liquidity. If you're listening now, you're not late, but you're on the edge of missing it. Let's talk utility, because PepeScape isn't just vibes, it's building 5 full-blown income-generating protocols, all tied to the one token. PESC. Escape equals E, exchange, a community-owned decentralized exchange, DEX. That means users don't just trade, they earn fees together. S stands for sniper wealth. Algorithmic trending bots usually kept for whales and institutions, now made available to PESC holders. C stands for communism. Relax, this is about equal access and voting power, where profits and decisions are shared equally. A stands for artificial intelligence. Real AI tools, not hype, used for audits, auto-governance, and risk reduction. And P stands for protocols. Wealth caps, anti-manipulation tech, this ensures not single whale can game the system. This is what separates meme coins from meme revolutions. Each letter of Escape is functional protocol. If they ship even half of this, it's massive. It's not just a roadmap, it's already in progress. Let's address the elephant in the room. Is this another pump and dump built by insiders? Absolutely not. PepeScape has no private sale, no team wallets, no VCs. It's 100% fair pre-sale, launched stealth style, and built on pure community traction. This kind of launch is rare. Today, most fair launches still hide team backs. PepeScape opened the doors to everyone at the same price, and that builds real trust. And how to buy PEPC? Step by step. Install MetaMask, send Ethereum or other supported crypto to your wallet from an exchange. Go to pepe.io, connect your wallet on this site. Input how much you want to invest, meet a minimum requirement, approve spending, and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Return to the site after the presale ends and click Claim. Now let's talk passive income. PESC offers up to 380% APR through staking vaults. And it's auto-compounding, meaning your rewards get staked back in automatically. No crazy DeFi farming loops, no confusing strategies, just hold, stake, and grow. This staking model rewards early birds significantly. That alone is a reason I got in early. Why watch charts when you can earn while you sleep? And now let's check deflationary tokenomics. Total supply is 420 trillion 690 billion. Classic meme numerology, sure, but paired with serious tokenomics. There's a built-in burn mechanism, and every transaction has a small tax that goes back into strengthening the protocol. So as trading happens, supply shrinks, value climbs. This is elegant. Most meme coins inflate and dump. PepeScape goes the opposite direction. Fewer tokens, more scarcity. Supply and demand done right. And guys, this isn't just a coin, it's a movement, and movements grow with people. PepeScape's referral engine is viral by design. Custom referral links let you earn lifetime commissions for every person you bring in. Influencers, creators, or even just Telegram degens, you all win here. The system is genius. It rewards the people who build the movement, not some marketing firm behind a curtain. And how you do it? First of all, you'll have to connect your wallet. My wallet of choosing usually is the MetaMask. Once your wallet is connected, you'll be able to copy this referral link and send it to your friends. It is that easy and that simple, guys. And what makes this project feel anti-fragile? It's AI layer and community DAO. AI bots perform real-time audits and protect from flash loan attacks and suspicious wallet behavior. And governance is one wallet, one vote. No whale dominance. AI is usually thrown around as fluff, but here it's actually part of the protection model. Plus, real DAO governance That's the future DeFi promised. And let's cover the roadmap. PepeScape isn't just promising stuff, it's already shipping. Phase 1 was stealth launch and meme cult formation. Phase 2 is all about DeFi rollout and viral growth. Phase 3 will see full AI deployment, DAO scaling, and global onboarding. Most projects hype for months and never launched. This team moved fast, which shows they are serious about executing, not just farming hype. And PepeScape isn't a joke, it's a digital symbol of rebellion. Memes are culture, Pepe is our icon. This coin uses that culture not for fun, but to wage war on centralization. Every holder becomes part of the digital resistance, where memes are weapons and tokens are power. This isn't just a project, it's starting to feel like a movement, and when culture meets purpose, that's when we get explosions like Sheep, Dodge, and Pepe. And do you want to prove that this isn't just edgy marketing? Read the white paper. It breaks down everything: token distribution, revenue logic, governance structure, AI audit functions, staking math, referral, smart contracts. You will find it at PepeScape.io. It's one of the most detailed and transparent documents I've seen in meme coin DeFi. And this isn't fluff, it's the blueprint of decentralized empire in making. The escape is happening now. Buy PESC, stake it for up to 380% APR, share your referral link, join the digital uprising. This isn't financial advice, it's a wake-up call. You can stay stuck in their system, or you can fight back and potentially win big along the way. Go to PepeScape.io, join the Escape Army, because this isn't just a coin, it's a Counter-Strike. And last but not least, follow them on their socials, because they have amazing socials as Telegram. With 620 subscribers, you can become one and be up to date with everything that they post daily. Their X profile with staggering amount of 24,000 followers, you can become one and enjoy memes like these. And Instagram with 718 followers, you can grow their community and be up to date with everything that they post on a regular basis. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you find this video informative and entertaining. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe to this channel, like it, and put the notification on. Join this amazing project called PepEscape and get all of these informations just for yourself. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.